Hey everyone, it's Dinah, your weird creature or person that posts videos, and today we're just gonna be looking at Planet Human Cringe. I guess that's what we're doing. I'm stupid. Oh god, I really forgot how to spell planet. Planet Humans. Gotcha Life, because, that's where every cringe goes. I'm not saying that Gotcha Life is cringe, because I know there's an actual good part of it, but... okay. That's not... okay, whatever. We're not doing Planet... whatever you call it. Okay, what is this? What? What's this? Wake up meme? What in the world? Hold up. Wait, okay. What in the world? Okay. I would really not rather put that in their face, cause that looks cringy. And also, okay, I would give you like a few sections, whatever you call it. First, fix the hands. They look like spider hands. They're actually not spider hands. They're just gross hands. Second, that doesn't. I don't know what's going on in her face, but that kind of looks like you just like traced over it. I mean, I know tracing is something you're supposed to get good, but okay, hold on, I'm really stupid at this. But I wouldn't really suggest tracing a map. Actually try to do it on your own, but if you can't really do it, then try. That's what you can do, just try it. Besides, tracing is like or like trying to do whatever, but really I would have posted until like I really hope you're trying to get what I'm saying, because all I'm saying is just nonsense, and this is like 29 seconds long. Oh my god. Okay, you need to fix the eyebrows. I mean, although the edition, oh god, I can't say crap right now. Edition, I really hope you get what I'm saying, but it's okay. I give it somewhere between 7, 6. And what's this? Planets June. Is this supposed to be funny? Cause she's a bit hyper right now. That's fine. It's a bit whatever. No, come back, moon. No. So, is this normal? That's what he said. Sadly, yes. Guys. That's what she's doing. Sun wants you guys. I wonder what's it for. But why does Jupiter look weird? Oh. Is that the sun? The sun doesn't really look very blinding to me. Who's that? But I don't. Calm down. I'm just gonna skip this to the end. Who's this guy? Uranus. Yo, what's going on? Is Uranus like the bad person? What is going on? Where's Pluto? Pluto, no, there's no Pluto in here. There's literally no Pluto in here. He was part of our clan. Who's no. Who's that person? Where's Pluto? That's Pluto. Okay, finally, Pluto. Okay, hold up. Okay, what's Okay, and believe it or not, Pluto was almost as big as the sun. What does that mean? What does that mean? But it changed so quickly. Demon was felt the power. Oh. Meow. Pluto became small. Epic. Jesus. Okay. Make him grow. Plan. He happy. I think he's happy. He happy boy. I'll be back. Okay, this is all edgy stuff. Okay, hero meme. Oh god, I hate that meme. I heard it like a lot of times. What is okay? Yeah, throw plastic everywhere, bruh. Throw plastic. Yeah, let's go, boys. It's just a clip. It's just a replay. Okay. There's not really that much editing going on, but I see effort, but really all it's just like, is like stretching, whatever you call it. But what I could say that I really don't know what to say about it, but I really would rather put more actually editing effort, whatever you call it, because that's what is this? Right now we're just gonna be looking at Planet Gotcha right now. We'll get into that soon. But if a girl it's gonna be it's like, okay, hold on. I'm not gonna put it just like, but okay, I'm just gonna cut this straight to the point. We need to save the world. Okay. The Holy Mother of Cats. I doubt that you actually do, and you're just saying the others like, hey, save the world, even though you probably don't do it, because literally, that's what every planet human freak does. I really don't care about the world, really. It's been through like rough times, like the Ice Age and the asteroid that killed dinosaurs. I really don't know. That's really all I could say right now. We need to save the world. Our world. The only planet that has life on it. Okay. Scientists are probably trying to figure out what other planet that actually has life. So I'm doubting that that Earth is actually the only planet that has life, because I'm pretty sure another planet has life that's not in the Milky Way. It's really high chance. Well, really low chance, I might. But God, we humans are wasting it. I mean, yeah, we are wasting it, but what else we're gonna do? Throw trash can like out the space world? Most people want to help the world. Right. Most. Quote, most. I don't really have anything against with these people, but really, it's just so strange to see these, which is good. It's okay. Why? But they don't know how our world has this. Okay, God. Okay. Oh God, I'll leave this comment. But really, I would save the Earth if I had time, even though COVID's like pushing us back. I really don't care anything anymore. Because like, every past these years, back then, the Earth was like heck. Now we're just at this point where society is a thing, where stupidity of humans, because Brains? Yes, brains. But really, I really wouldn't say this. God, at least they're trying. At least they're trying. I'll give you that. But really, I wouldn't do this. And this is like 10 minutes now. I'm sick and tired of it. Oh god. But really, anyways, I really wouldn't do anything. It's like, I don't know you. But I really hope you enjoy this cringe, quote quote cringe. They're not really that much of a cringe. I'm still trying to find actual cringe, but really, it's no. Goodbye. Well, see you, fool.